Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Advanced Tab widget on your Elementor site, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create dynamic tabbed content so you can enhance the user experience on your website. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website where all the magic happens. Visual cue. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the search bar and type Advanced Tabs. This will help you quickly locate the Advanced Tab widget visual cue. Now, click on the Advanced Tabs option that appears. This widget allows you to organize content in a clean and interactive way, making it easier for your visitors to find what they need. Visual cue. Next, let's change the layout. You can customize how your tabs appear on the page, giving you the flexibility to match your site's designed visual cue. Now, click on the Content tab. This is where you'll input the actual information that will be displayed in each tab visual cue. After that, head over to the Style tab. This is where you can adjust the visual aspects of your tabs, ensuring they look just right. Visual cue. Let's set the padding. This will create space around your content, making it more visually appealing. Visual cue. Next, set the margin. This will help position your tabs in relation to other elements on the page. Visual cue. Now, click on the tab title. This is where you can edit the titles of each tab, making sure they are clear and engaging for your audience. Visual cue. Set the title minimum width to ensure that your titles are displayed correctly, regardless of the content length. Visual cue. Next, adjust the icon size. Icons can add a visual cue that enhances the user experience. Visual cue. Then set the icon gap. This will determine the spacing between the icons and the text, ensuring everything is well aligned. Visual cue. Now let's change the background color of the tabs. This is a great way to make your tabs stand out. Visual cue. You can also change the text color to ensure readability against the background. Visual cue. Next, adjust the icon color. This will help maintain a cohesive color scheme throughout your design. Visual cue. Click on the Content tab again to make any final adjustments to your content. Visual cue. Change the background color once more if needed, ensuring it fits well with your overall design. Visual cue. Adjust the text color again for consistency and readability. Visual cue. Now click on the caret. This is the small arrow that indicates expandable content. Visual cue. Set the caret size to ensure it's visible and matches the overall aesthetic of your tab's. Visual cue. Finally, click on the Advanced tab for any additional settings you may want to customize. Visual cue. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the Advanced Tab widget on your Elementor site. This powerful tool can greatly enhance your website's functionality and user experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.